Tori, what are you eating? Tori has not stopped eating for the last 20 minutes. And is very excited to be back in his old cage. He was having a real hard time there for a minute. He just about stopped eating today. And I was about to bring him into the vet, where I figured, let's put him back in the old cage, see how he reacts, and see if it's a behavior problem. And the minute he got into his cage, he did the bat bird, which is something real rare for him. Is it right, Tori? You okay? You feel better now? You back home? No? I know you're angry at me.